Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm going to show you the 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression in the key of G major. All right, a G major scale, we have G is our 1, A is our 2, B is our 3, C is our 4, D is our 5, E is our 6, F sharp is our 7, back to G, our 1. All right, so our 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression is going to go 1, G major, 5, D major, 6, E minor, 7, and then 4, C major. All right, so those chords, one chord, left hand G and D, right hand G, A, B, D. 5 chord, left hand I'm playing D and D, right hand I'm playing F sharp, A, and D. 6 chord, all right, probably sounds better up here, not so muddy. Left hand E and B, right hand D, G, and B. G major chord over E. So we have all right, next chord, C major, a 4 chord. Left hand C and G, right hand C, D, E, G. All right. Now, first thing I can do, I can add a passing chord. Going before I go to the 4 chord, I can play a 3 chord and then play the 4. So I'm playing a G major 7. A G major chord. Sorry. First inversion. All right. B, my left hand, right hand, B, D, and G. So that passing chord that sound like this: 1, 5, 6. To the 4. All right. All right. Another thing I can do is I can play a progression, a 6, 7, 1, 3, 4 chord progression. All right. So I have 1, D major, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4. All right. All right. That progression, 6. We already have the 6, so we're coming out of 5. 6. All right, we got the 6 already. E minor 7. Left hand E and E. Right hand D, G, and B. 7. Playing F sharp. Left hand F sharp and C sharp. Right hand F sharp, A, and D. Next chord, I'm playing a 1 chord. G, A, B, and D on my right hand with G and G on my left hand. I'm going back and forth because that just shows you can go either, to keep it interesting, back and forth. All right. Your 3 chord is going to be that same chord I've given you already, the G over B. So left hand B, right hand B, D, and G. Then our fourth chord, same C major chord I've given you. C and G, right hand C, D, E, and G. So the whole thing, 1, and when I play those chords, I'm hitting the outside first, so G and D, and then I'm hitting A to the B. Same thing on D. And then walk, E, F sharp, G. Alright, that's just the passing chord going from the 3 to the 4. Going from the B to the C. 5, 6, 7, 1. 6, 7, 1, 4. Alright. Another thing I can do is walk it down. Alright, that walk down right there. So I got C and E, B and D, A and C, G and B. Just kind of walking down. You can play the C and G in left hand. However you want to do it. So 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right, finally, you can do, if you change the progression, the rhythm, 1, 5, 6, 4, same chords. All right, when you get to that 6, so you can say, to the 6, watch. All right, so I'm playing E, B, and C on my left hand, right hand, D, and G. But what I'm doing is I'm playing coming off. So coming off the B to hit the C. And then I gotta take that to my 4. Let me let you hear it live. All right. So yeah, or you can take it through, of course, to hit the 4. So all right, to get to the 4. All right, so yeah, those are several different things that you could do on top of a 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression in the key of G major. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.